Hey guys, 𝐸𝐻𝐸 Turnip Seed here. In this video, I'm going to go over the one thing that you need to get 24/7 sales on autopilot, okay? And it's also something that you can do once and actually create residual income because you do it over again. So stay tuned because I'm going to explain what that is. And what that thing is you can make YouTube videos. A lot of people do not know nor understand that YouTube passive income for you if you learn how to leverage YouTube and leverage videos. So what I have here in front of you is this program that I've partnered with and that I love, and I'm going to explain why. Every person needs this program, and especially anyone who's a marketer needs this program, and here's why. It's a digital read to beast out and master Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and attraction marketing. You only pay $125 for essentially coaching in a box to teach you how to master all of these platforms. And this is not junk training. This is great training, okay? Now, once you pay that $125, here's why I love this program. You now position yourself to not only learn how to master these platforms, which are free ways to drive traffic. A lot of people are teaching people to pay ridiculous amounts of money for traffic, which that's fine. But if you don't learn how to master free traffic, well, while you're waiting for that paid traffic to convert, you're going to go broke. Okay? I don't know why my screen just went black. But anyways, with this digital reseller program, what's going to happen is not only will you get training, but you also get to resell this digital training package to other marketers, other people, businesses even, who want to learn how they could attract other people to them, not have to chase people, and learn how to build an audience, a following, and convert those into sales. Okay. Now, let's go back to what I said earlier about the one thing that you need to have 24/7 sales, and that's YouTube. Here's how that works. Okay. They're going to show you in the training that's provided here how to create a YouTube channel, how to start making videos, show those videos so that you can get those videos up there. And then what you do is you put your link in the comment section, and you know, people go down there and they buy. So you could be sleeping. This happened to me plenty of times. I've woken up, I'm like, wait a minute, who just bought from me? Right? So you literally can create a massive store, and all you did was make a video once, make a review or whatever, and put your link in there. And this is going to show you how to do it the right way, how to keyword, all those things. Okay. So that's it. I hope this was of value to you. Get this digital reseller program. It's called Cash Inbox. Okay. And you pay $125 one time, and it also positions you to make $125 over and over again. If you are an online marketer, you need a program like this because this is instant pay, meaning that that $125 instantly goes into your PayPal, and it positions you to have money to fund your other things that you need in your business, your auto ships and all those things like that. Okay. So that's it. I love this. Check out the comment section. I look forward to connecting with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.